Hi, my name is Chris Gibbons. I'm the director of Roly Poly Entertainments Limited and Near's Diner Desserts in Church Village. We opened Roly Poly Entertainment 6 years ago, and now Near's Diner during the COVID pandemic. Now we took it over the 1st of October and we turned around in 12 days. So ripped it out completely, worked day and night to rip it out, and then took it over and opened then on the 12th, because my little girl's birthday was called Nia, is on the 10th, so it was the closest date we could get to opening. So we held her birthday party at first, a little tea party, and then started everything else. We just won Best Takeaway of the Year in RCT, run by GTFM. We had over 10,500 votes. We got through the top 10, and then we were up against the big boys, and we had, like I said, we smashed it, 10,500 votes, come out on top, and it was amazing. Wow. I think it's all about community. I'm originally a Swansea boy, but in Swansea there's a massive community. I've done a lot in Swansea. Then I moved up to here with my partner. Me and my partner are massive community people anyway, so it hasn't been a very good time, obviously, because restrictions. You know, we opened on the 12th, and then we had a fire break, so we had to shut again and open as a takeaway only. But then, like, we've got the hairdresser across the road, the tattoo shop, solicitors. We've all kind of come together due to COVID, so we all send customers each other's way. So even with people, like, we've done over half term, we've done sausage and chips free for the children. We've done presents for children over Christmas. The care home, we try to help them as much as we can, because, like I said, I want to be massive in the community, and that's what I'm hoping. Everything we do is homemade, so homemade food, home real chips. If it's not made here, it's made in somewhere where the shares in a bakery. So we do stuff that we want to make sure it sells for our customer. So I wouldn't fetch something if we haven't tried it ourselves, or if it's not knocked up the customer's interest at heart.
So quality is really important.
Yeah, quality, and again, customer service is a massive thing for us here. I love to come in and have a chat with the customer, because you never know, some customers don't see people from day to day, and if they come to the shop, then that's the only person they might see that day. So try and have that chat with them is a massive thing for us. When we first opened, I let my little girl choose anything. It's her going to be her adventure at the end of the day, not ours. Yeah, we are the business people behind it, but Near's Diner is after my little girl. So we picked like from the wallpaper to the purple colour, anything like that. We left them do it. I wanted to make sure that when we opened here, people knew that we were all about the community. So I had Halloween displays outside for the children. I've had Christmas displays outside, because to us, it's the children who come here. We sell ice cream. Every child loves ice cream. Every adult likes an ice cream on a hot day. So I wanted to make sure that we could give something back to the community. Because we own an entertainment company, and trying to incorporate the two is something that we've always wanted to do. So it's not just me. There's a massive team behind us who really do make a difference. And my partner, Leah, and the little one, we all come up with ideas. Even the baby comes up with ideas. They say, right, let's try this and let's try that. And if we think it'll work, we'll run with it. No, she might be 6, but if we think it'll work, we'll give it a go. So we deliver, you can sit in when restrictions allow, you can take away, we have anything. And like I said, we've opened a garden. It's not very big, because we haven't got that much space. But to try and be different, to allow people to sit outside, be dog friendly. We've just started selling dog ice cream. So dog ice cream has been a massive thing, and we make it ourselves in store as well. So it's all homemade for people to come here, because they like the thought of coming here, they can get ice cream for themselves, an ice cream for their dog, and it's great. So that's the kind of idea I wanted, and hopefully in future we can expand it. No, it doesn't matter who you are, we wouldn't judge you. If you just want to come in and have a cup of tea and be on your own, that's totally fine. If you want to come in and have a chat, then we're here. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want someone to come in and just say, oh, can I have a cup of tea, and the service not be great, because you can have a cup of tea in the house. And that's my main thing. If you want to go self-employed, it's very different from when I was first started 6 years ago. And we've won many awards now, thankfully. Roly Entertainment has been, I've been Entrepreneur of the Year, Businessman of the Year. Roly Poly have won so many awards for doing stuff in the community with the children. We won the Mayor's Award in RCT for services to the community. So it's all about, the way I think of it is, your customer service. You've got to provide a great product. So if you can do that, and for example, if we can help anyone, people come in and say, oh, how can we do this and how can we do that? That's the way I would go forward. I'd always try and help someone go forward. There's been, you know, Salem Food Bank. They've been another massive one for us. We've done dinners for them over Christmas. They joined forces with us and helped us, and we helped them, and that's what I wanted. It's not all, like I said, it's not all about making money. It's about helping the community and seeing what we can do for the community. If we can offer a different service to everyone else, then that's great, because it's making people support local people a lot more. It's hard. I'd never just open a business and just say, right, okay, year 7 staff, give them training, away to go, because that's not the type of people we are. I'd like to try and make sure people know the way we like things, because I would like to be treated how you were treated. So if I came in and just bought a cake but the customer service wasn't fantastic, then I probably wouldn't come back. I'm looking for somewhere where you can have customer service, you can have the product that you want, and fetch the children and the dog. You know, and the only thing we don't cater is cats, unfortunately, and other animals. But we can't do everything, but we try. But opening another business would mean that the staff here would need to be confident enough for us to expand, and I wouldn't do that until we have, you know, it's all about a team at the end of the day. One person doesn't run a business, many people do. So even though you've got that structure, until that you can expand more, then I'd be happy staying as we are. So yesterday we raised, I think it was £155 yesterday for Royal Glamorgan Children's Ward. We wanted to do something that's close to our heart. Our little girl has had to use the hospital, unfortunately, more than once. So we wanted to do something and give something back, and that's why I thought of, well, okay, so we sold boxes of cupcakes, and we've done a raffle on the page, and like I said, the support has been amazing. So the community's been fantastic. I don't do it for the recognition. It's lovely to be said, you know, oh, fantastic, you've won this, you've won that, which is amazing, and I love it. But I honestly think, definitely going ahead, we are definitely going to try and expand, for one, but help more people in the area that we can. If you haven't visited us yet, it'd be lovely for you to give us a try. Some things obviously we'll never get right in business, unfortunately, but anything as we can do for the community, if you're a local group, or if you're opening up a new business and you want some advice that we can help with or support you in advertising, please let us know.